Welcome. My name is Christian Skies, and in today's relaxing audio journey, you find yourself wandering through the park. You stroll beside an ivy-covered wall and find a hidden entrance. Curious, you push on the heavy wooden door, and as it sweeps open, you find yourself alone in a serene garden. The small, soft lawn invites bare feet, so you take off your shoes and let the grassy ground gently massage your feet as you walk. Across the lawn, a narrow path leads you through rambling roses. They cascade over the trellises and climb the rocky wall. Red, gold, green, their petals gently gleam in the sun. You take a deep breath and let the perfume of 1,000 blooms wash through you. You sink down on a wooden bench and let your mind wander. You take another breath, counting to 5. Hold for a moment to savor the aroma, and then exhale. As your mind quietens, you become aware of the gentle garden sounds. Bees hum among the roses. Crickets chirp in the bushes. Birds sing to their neighbors as they flutter in the weeping willows. Gradually, you register the trickling sound of water in the distance. You follow the path and find yourself beside a stream, trickling over a rocky edge and tumbling into the pond. Dappled sunlight falls onto green paths and white lilies. Dragonflies skim over the water. You sink down onto the green grass by the pond and breathe again. Now, you close your eyes and let the sounds and smells of nature wash over you. Breathe in, counting to 5. Hold for a moment, and then with each breath, a little more tension flows out of your muscles, in and out. You allow your neck to relax, in and out. Your shoulders loosen. Your heartbeat slows, and your mind no longer remembers worries and cares. Every muscle unwinds. With each breath, you allow yourself to move closer to complete relaxation. There, by the pond, in the gentle garden, you just breathe. Thank you for listening. I hope that this audio journey has helped you unwind, or maybe even fall asleep. Even though these videos are a lot of fun to write, record and produce, they are also very time consuming to make. If you want to support my work and allow me to make more of these in the months and years to come, I have a few donation options down below in the description. Also, if you're curious about what kind of equipment I use to make these audio journeys, such as microphones, recorders and more, I have a link down below for that as well. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.